Video we are going to show you how to remove the radio navigation and display unit from Nissan Maxima 2013, which is similar to some other years. The tools that you need is this Phillips dashboard removal and this blue dashboard removal tool and the Phillips screwdriver. We already made everything loose. This is just for the demonstration only. In the first step, you pop up this navigation control panel and the AC vents. Once you pop it up, you need to disconnect 3 connectors from the back, which are very short. These are all the 3. Just push the clip inward and then you can just disconnect it. Once you put the AC vent away, you unscrew the mounting screws, 2 of them, 2 Phillips screws for the radio, and then you can pull the radio forward. It's actually the front panel for the radio, and then you can disconnect the connectors. And once you disconnect the front panel, and then you can see the mounting screws for the radio, CD player, navigation units. It's a 2 on the top and a 2 on the bottom. Once you get these 4 screws out, and then you can pull the whole radio, CD player, navigation unit out. And these are the connectors in the back of the unit. All of these connectors, they have a clip which you need to push the clip, and then you can remove the connectors. If you need any repair for the radio, navigation, CD player, or the monitor, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085. I also forgot to mention that if you want to remove the monitor, you can remove these 3 Phillips screws, and then you can remove the whole monitor and the touch screen.